If your child is finding times table tricky, or if you are looking for a fun and structured way to help them build confidence, you are in the right place. Today, I'd love to give you a quick tour of the Ultimate 0 to 12 Times Table Workbook and show you why it's much more than just a workbook. As a primary math teacher, I've worked with many children who struggle to remember their times tables. Often, it's not because they can't do it. It's because they need the right support, plenty of practice, and a learning system that keeps them motivated. That's exactly why I created this workbook. Rather than giving children endless pages of questions, this workbook takes them on a clear 100-day learning journey, helping them build confidence and fluency step by step. One of my favorite features is the structured 100-day system. Instead of feeling overwhelmed, children can focus on a little bit of learning each day. Small, consistency steps help build strong times table skills over time. This is what makes the workbook really special. Throughout the book, you will find QR codes that link directly to videos on the GrowMathEasy YouTube channel. Children can access catchy times table songs and clever memory tricks that makes multiplication facts easier to remember. Many children learn best when they can see, hear, and practice at the same time, and these videos provide that extra support whenever they need it. Learning times tables doesn't have to be boring. That's why the workbook includes games, challenges, and time tests to keep children engaged and motivated. These activities help children strengthen their recall, improve their speed, and build confidence along the way. Children love seeing how far they have come. The workbook includes progress tracker so they can record their achievements and stay motivated throughout their learning journey.